Welcome here. Never crocheted a bracelet before? In this tutorial we will learn how to make this cute crochet bracelet using simple stitches. Even if you're a complete beginner, you can make this bracelet for yourself, give it as a handmade gift, or make several bracelets in different colors to match your outfits. I'm using medium weight yarn in 3 lovely colors for this tutorial, and a 7mm crochet hook. First we're going to make a slip knot. Make a loop. And pull the working yarn through the loop. Now gently pull the working yarn to adjust the loop. Insert the crochet hook into the loop. Tight gently, and make sure the loop can still slide easily on your hook. Now we're going to make our chain. Yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop on the hook. This is your first chain stitch. Again, yarn over and pull through. This is chain 2. Continue in the same way. Yarn over and pull through. And keep going. Total 22 stitches. Now, make a slip stitch at the first chain. Insert the hook into the first chain. Yarn over. And pull through the stitch. Again, pull through the loop on the hook. Now cut yarns. Pull yarn, and make gentle tight. Look at this. We've just made a simple crochet bracelet using basic crochet stitches. Please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for crocheting with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crocheting!